Welcome to Let's try to trace the forest canopy. For this I am using the sketch pen for drawing the trees as shown here. Next I am going to use the foam sheet and I will wrap it in such a way and dip it in some colors and try to trace it down as shown here. This is so simple and it looks something very elegant. It will depict some of the leaves of the trees. After that, using a marker I can draw the birds at the center that will show us birds are in the sky. For this painting, we are using two different types of colors, that's the crayons, which will be used for drawing the grass as shown here. And after this, we are going to use the watercolors for painting the background. This is so simple and it looks something very elegant. Now, follow the following steps and you will be able to create a beautiful drawing out of such beautiful things. Just give it a try, it's suitable for the kids between the age group of 11 to 12 years. At the end, we are going to sprinkle some of the paint using the brush as shown at the last. Let's try to create the doodle painting using the sketch pen. Let's try to draw different types of the houses, and in between we are going to draw such oval shapes which will depict some of the trees. Using the different colors you can make it more fascinating and it will look so nice. This is so simple and it looks something very elegant. Now follow the following steps and you will be able to create a beautiful drawing out of such beautiful things. This one is also full of doodles. We are doodling something, some creatures like the microbes. This is so simple and it looks something very elegant. Now follow the following steps and you will be able to create a beautiful drawing out of such beautiful things. And you can give them a try. This is suitable for the kids between the age group of 6 to 7 years. First of all, we are going to draw the houses using the marker. After that, we are going to fill the colors using the watercolors. This is so simple and it looks something very elegant. Now, follow the following steps and you will be able to create a beautiful drawing out of such beautiful things. It's so simple. This is suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 and 9 years. We can do the shading for the roof of the houses as shown here. Thanks for watching.